He was not a dumb buyer. Let me talk through why this deal got through all of the safeguards he put in place. Let's talk together about how overconfidence can actually be the exact reason people get caught up in fraudulent deals. People think marketing agency. They think amazing rainbow things like recurring revenue, long-term customers, pretty simple delivery model, easy to outsource to other countries. And everybody likes those things. So a lot of diligence passes because you hear recurring revenue and you think safety, security, every month, same money coming in. But do you understand what recurring revenue is? I think this is where this guy struggled. The challenge of confident, ambitious buyers is that in everything they've done historically, they've moved fast because they were in their domain of expertise. So what do they do when they're outside of their domain of expertise? They move quickly and efficiently too because it feels comfortable to them. In that same thing that works so well in their domain of expertise, it works terribly and sets them up for loss in an area where they have no domain expertise. So where's the moment the deal should have died? The moment that the buyer looked at the churn of the customers and how many new customers the owner was having to sell each month and year to keep this recurring revenue going, he should have left that deal dead on the side of the road. But let's talk about how normal this is. Every single fraud victim looks about the same. They've made confident decisions all their life. They check the boxes on what you should do in a deal. And what they realize when they are already in trouble and the irreversible concept of a signed purchase agreement with a personal guarantee is on them is that they didn't have anybody in the room whose domain expertise was what they were doing. They were naked in that room. And so as fun as a DIY search sounds and keeping costs low, the challenge that buyers have is that who's gonna be the expert in the room? The question was never about the fee. The question was, why was there not an expert in the room? My business exists so that this never has to happen to you.